If I am asked to support the governor again, I will say yes, 100%.
Hello viewers, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now we all know about the shenanigans that have been happening in the Rivers State government, and just few hours to the end of 2020, the factional speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly in person of Edison Ehie went ahead to tender his resignation as the speaker. This we believe was obviously by virtue of the agreement that was initiated by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Evil can never reign over justice. Never. And good men will stand up with truth in this 21st century.
Now, the Rivers State Governor, similarly Fubara, has appointed the immediate past Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly in person of Right Honorable Edison Ehie as the new Chief of Staff. Ehie, who is a strong ally of Fubara, replaced the Chief of Staff, Honorable Chidi Amadi, who is a kinsman of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory in person of Nyesom Wike. The immediate past Speaker had on Sunday night resigned his appointment as both Speaker and member representing Aoda East Constituency 2 in the Rivers State House of Assembly, sparking questions about his political move. Recall that the resolution signed by the parties during the peace meeting that was initiated by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu included the recognition of Right Honorable Martin Amewule as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. However, there was no clue mandating Ehie to vacate his seat as a member of the Rivers State House of Assembly. But you can see for yourself that he has been obviously promoted to the Chief of Staff by his boss and mentor in person of Simnalaye Fubara. This is what you get when you stand for good. Do well to hit the comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is, as we shall continually be here to serve you. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video.